Hi, Blake here with another review. This is for this jet ski, or Sea-Doo, I should say. And it doesn't actually have an impeller, but it has a propeller. It's just kind of a mock style, which is nice because you don't have to worry about hurting any fishies. Pretty excited about this one because it was pretty up there in price. Although I was sent it for free to review, so thank you, Amazon and UDI, these guys. Thank you. And the remote takes 4 AAAs, and then we're just going to jump right in. One unique thing right off the bat is that it turns on without being wet. Interesting. So yeah, it'll run even when it's not in water. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing, but it does have a brushless motor. So controls, you have your lights, then you have, I'm not sure what that is. I'll wait until we get it in the water. And then, different channels. So if you had more than one, you could race them or something. Or unless that's speed. Yep, that's speed. So this is your speed control. Awesome. That's what I was hoping it had. And then you have your trim adjustment up top. So we're going to go ahead and give her a go. I will say it looks kind of strange, you know, like it looks like a, you know, because there's nobody on it. Definitely not too fast on speed 1. Oh, let's see what this button does. Oh, okay. So this little button with the little arrows is like to jiggle then jet. It's like if you get stuck on something. So just to show you again. My assumption is that it automatically engages the highest speed. So let's try it on speed 2. I will say it maneuvers quite well. Almost like a real Sea-Doo. Oh yeah. So since that propeller is like on the inside like that, you really can't reverse much. No big deal though. Man, that's only speed 2? Alright. So let's go ahead and bring her back so we can start from here and do alright, speed 3. Man, that thing motors. Yeah, I really wish I had more reverse, but no, man, that thing's cool. Ooh. Woo! Thing is fun. Yeah, I'd recommend it.